What does a successful Amazon PPC campaign actually look like? Love that you put successful in front of it. I am defining successful as something that is within the strategy that you created it for. It's within the strategy and it performs according to example. If this is a ranking campaign and you created with the purpose to rank for specific keywords or specific products, and you are ranking for it and you generate sales, even if unprofitable, that is a successful campaign. Now, if you see that you are generating sales and it's above 100% ACOS, but you're generating sales, do we long-term gain additional market share? Or the moment that we are going to just drop bids and decrease them, we are going to lose market share? It's really important because that's going to allow you to see if it's worth for you to rank for one specific keyword. Same goes for all the other strategies: protect, conquer, dominate, and discover campaigns. The strategy behind it was the exact match ranking campaigns.